Redis Streams are an append-only log data structure built for capturing sequences of events. Every entry written to a stream stays in the log until explicitly trimmed, which makes streams ideal for event sourcing, audit trails, and durable messaging pipelines. Every entry appended to a stream receives a unique, monotonic ID composed of a millisecond timestamp and a sequence suffix, like 17000000000000-0 or 170000000000-1. When you pass an asterisk to XADD, Redis auto-generates the next ID for you, guaranteeing strict ordering even when multiple entries arrive within the same millisecond. Consumer groups turn a stream into a partitioned work queue. Sgroup create establishes the group along with a last delivered ID cursor, and each consumer reads a disjoint slice of new entries while the pending entries list tracks what has been delivered but not yet acknowledged. The core commands form a tight, composable API. XADD appends an entry. XREAD consumes entries with optional block for waiting and count for batching. XLEN returns the stream length. XRANGE and XREAD query entries by ID range in either direction. And XACK acknowledges processed entries so they leave the pending entries list. Unlike pub/sub, which is fire and forget with no persistence and no replay, Redis Streams retain every entry on disk and let you replay the log from any historical ID. If a subscriber misses a pub/sub message, the data is gone forever. With Streams, late consumers can rewind and recover. Redis lists excel at simple push and RPOP queues with constant time push and pop, but they have no per-entry IDs, no consumer groups, and no range queries. Streams trade a slightly heavier write path for per-entry IDs, range reads across time, and full consumer group semantics that handle failures, retries, and scaling. That combination of durability, ordered IDs, replay, and partitioned consumption is why Redis Streams have become the backbone of event sourcing systems, real-time analytics, and stream processing pipelines where every event must survive and remain addressable. Redis Streams are an append-only log data structure built for event sourcing and lightweight message queuing. In this demo, I'll add entries with XADD, verify the count with XLEN, consume messages with XREAD, and inspect history with XRANGE. Let's open a terminal and walk through it command by command. I always start by clearing the screen, so the session stays readable as commands accumulate. The clear command simply wipes the scroll back. It does not touch Redis or any data on disk. First, I confirm the server is alive and reachable. The ping command sends a probe and Redis replies with pong if the connection is healthy. This is the canonical health check. Before adding entries, I check whether the stream already exists. XLEN returns the number of entries in mystream, 0 on a fresh stream, which is exactly what we expect here. Now I'll add 2 entries with XADD, supplying a field value pair for each. XADD appends to the stream and returns the auto-generated entry ID, which combines a millisecond timestamp with a sequence number. The asterisk tells Redis to assign the ID automatically. To confirm both entries landed, I run XLEN again. The stream now reports a length of 2, which matches the 2 XADD writes I just performed. Now I'll consume entries with XREAD. The count2 argument caps the result. Streams mystream names the stream, and the trailing 0 means start from the very beginning. Redis responds with a nested array showing the stream name, and each entry's ID plus its fields. Finally, XRANGE gives me a flat view of every entry in the stream from start to end. Without bounds, it returns all entries, the same 2 records I added, with their auto-generated IDs and field value pairs, in insertion order.